Hello, good people. Welcome to the Zero Code channel. We specifically work on different product reviews just for you. We took our time and invested our energy to do extensive research on different products available in the market coming from different brands. The research included is checking out all the exclusive features, the durability, and also the reliability of the products. Our team is very experienced and they're working relentlessly so that you can find your perfect product. So be with us, support us, and pick your best product from one of them featured in the video. Thank you.
Number 5, Costway. This air conditioner can provide a variety of operating modes. The dimension is 12 inches by 13.3 by 28.1 WXDXH. 10,000 BTU portable air conditioner provides ample airflow to cool spaces up to 200 SQ, featuring instantly cools your room or space, designed with 2 speeds. A 24-hour programmable timer. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Honeywell MN10CESWW. Cools rooms up to 350 to 450 SQ, featuring washable filter designed to protect from dust and hair. Filter cleans easily under a faucet for easy maintenance. Enjoy simple digital control with 3 fan speeds. 24-hour energy-saving timer and remote control included. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Frigidaire FFRA 0511R1. 5,000 BTU mini compact air conditioner. Quickly cools a room up to 150 SQ, featuring mechanical rotary controls, 2 cool speeds, 2 fan speeds. Low power startup, quiet operation and effortless restart. Dimensions: height 12 inches. Width 16 inches. Depth 15 to 14 inches. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. LG LW1216ER. 3 cooling and fan speeds with auto cool. 4-way air direction. Power failure auto restart. Remote control. Slide out washable filter. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. Friedrich Chill. Energy Star qualified room AC installs in a window or through walls up to 712 deep. Fresh, new look in designer white. 24-hour timer lets you program on and off times. Air circulation, 200 cubic feet per minute. Auto air sweep for more even cooling throughout the room. Please check the description for details and best price.